Alright, well here's the aftermath of the snow that we got from the other night. We had probably between 10 inches to a foot here in Tidewater. Very cold temperatures. And we're looking in the backyard here. As you can clearly see, the pool cover is completely frozen over, all ice. But yeah, snow all over the place. The bird bath's covered. Shed's covered. The fire pit. And there's some kind of unknown animal
Looks like bunny.
prints. Yeah, it looks like maybe rabbit footprints. Can't really tell. It's the only thing I can really think of, possibly. It's interesting. But anyway, it was 9 degrees when I went to work this morning. Just very, very cold. We've had some cold winters, but this is ridiculous. Hopefully it's gonna warm up later this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and go out front and show you how the front has fared. Alright. So we lost power for about 5-6 hours it went out about noon, came back on at 1:20, went back out at about 1:40, and came back on about 10 after 6. While it was out, the house got down to about 61 degrees. It was very, very cold. I know 61 degrees does not seem like very cold, but when you consider that it's in the 20s outside, that's very cold. When I opened the garage door, the snow was, as you see, this high. I had to dig the path that you see right here to get to my neighbor's house across the street so we could go have hot chocolate. They have a generator, and which was nice. And yeah. So that was pretty crazy. We still have our Christmas lights, as you can see. We haven't had time to take those down. The train that we have in our Christmas decoration is completely buried, but you can see the smoke spelling out Merry Christmas right there. Is there. Yeah, it's you basically can't get to my front door from here. It's yeah. It's pretty crazy. There were a whole bunch more icicles up here, but I knocked a lot of them down. yesterday, but anyway. If you want to take a look at some of the icicles that we have here, here's some.
Hey, Joey, I need you to come and film something for me.
What is it?
Raging log just laying on the pool cover.
Hold on a second, I'll get it. But yeah, just the whole cul-de-sac is just completely covered in snow. I had to inch my way to work both today and yesterday, just because the roads are still bad. So it's just, yeah. But the temperatures are supposed to get up to the 40s and eventually 60s by the end of the week. So right now, this is what we're looking at. You can see the various tire prints that have gone in and out of the cord here. Yeah. How are you?
Very good. Hopefully this is the last blizzard we see.
Yeah, that's what I'm
One
hoping.
year, that's enough for me.
Yeah, one good one, and that's about
Yep.
all I want to say. So, anyway, yeah. But my area is very ill-equipped to handle snow. And as a result, we only have like maybe a couple snow plows at most. And I can actually tell you, one time when I went to Charlottesville a few years ago, we had a snowstorm, and the next day they had the roads salted, completely cleared. Here in Tidewater, it takes them days to get the roads clear. So that tells you how ill-equipped they are here. It's very pretty to look at, don't get me wrong, but it causes an inconvenience. So, but anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Just thought I'd show you the aftermath of what this crazy winter storm dumped on us. And hopefully the warm-up will melt the snow and I can get out rail painting some for the first time this new year. So, thanks for watching.